Is it wood, or is it tile, or is it something in between? Here with a look at the latest trends is design consultant Cindy Cantrell with Express Flooring. It's great to have you here, Cindy.
It is great to be here. Thank you.
So tell me about what you brought with you today.
Absolutely. We brought some amazing wood look tile, and this is from our new line. You know, wood look tile gives the beauty and richness of wood with the durability of a ceramic or porcelain tile.
Now, I'm actually looking at these up close, and these are a lot more detailed than I think I've ever seen in a wood look tile.
Yes, these mimic wood like I have never seen before in a wood look tile. That's why they're so exciting. These actually take on kind of a driftwood look.
Okay.
Where this is more of your rustic barnwood style.
Which is really popular. And you brought in some photos of these wood look tiles in homes, and they're stunning.
Absolutely. You know, tile is one of those products that really enrich and enhance the value of your home. And to do a wood look in tile is just so popular right now. I don't see it ever changing. I think wood look tile is the way to go.
But, you know, when choosing wood or wood look tile, why would someone lean towards wood look tile instead of the actual wood?
You know, a lot of times it's water. If you have a pet and they're knocking over their bowl of water all the time, you're going to have an issue with laminate or hardwood. And it's the scratch resistance properties of tile as well.
Okay, durability for sure. Now, since it is tile, I know that you do have to use grout. And you were telling me earlier you use a pre-sealed grout? What is that?
We do. It's a heavy-duty pre-sealed grout, so you never need to reseal your grout.
Oh, wow. So does it stay cleaner? Or
it does. And you know, it has the color